Kling AI is a cutting-edge AI video generation tool that allows you to create videos from text prompts or images. Here's a breakdown of how to use it. 1. Accessing Kling AI website. Go to klingai.com. Account. Sign up for an account to get started. You might receive free credits to try the platform. Second video generation Kling AI offers two primary methods for video creation. Text to video. Select the text to video option. Enter a detailed text prompt describing the video you envision, e.g., a futuristic city with flying cars at sunset. Be as specific as possible to guide the AI effectively. Adjust video settings like aspect ratio, creativity level, and camera movement. Generate the video. Image to video. Select the image to video option. Upload an image that you want to use as a base for your video. Enter a text prompt to describe the action or changes you want to occur in the video, e.g., make the person in the image start walking through a forest. Configure video settings as needed. Generate the video. 3. Tips for effective use. Detailed prompts. The more descriptive your prompts, the better the AI can understand your vision. Include details about the subject, actions, and scene. Creativity. Slider. Adjust the creativity slider to control how much artistic freedom the AI takes. Slide it towards relevance for a closer match to your prompt, or towards creativity for more imaginative results. Aspect ratio. Choose the appropriate aspect ratio for your intended platform, e.g., 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Camera movements. Incorporate camera movements like zooms or pans to make your videos more dynamic. Negative prompts. Use negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements from your video, no blurriness, no modern elements. Combine inputs. For greater control, use an image as a reference and a text prompt to direct the action or style of the video. Emphasize action. Describe clear actions in your prompts to leverage Kling AI's ability to simulate motion effectively. Additional resources: community forums. Explore online communities or forums where users share tips, tricks, and examples of their Kling AI creations. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use Kling AI to generate unique and engaging videos for various purposes.